Normal people book a restaurant. Me, I'll book a field. So come with me today and check out episode 1 of Field to Fork, where I cook up a storm from my little field kitchen. Practically hear the comments now. Dan, you've just done raw chicken on there. How are you going to stay hygienic in a field? Well, that's why I've got loads of room. There's a washing up bowl that I prepared earlier. Some nice hot soapy water in there. You can give this a nice clean. This really is taking camp cooking to a whole new level.